video. Alright, thank you. Video. Thank you.
Muna picture.
Right. Bandang left tayo. Una ang gulo. Kama malamang sa kanan niya.
Oo. Ganda nyo muna yung use oil na. May kailan na ako petroleum jelly.
Kung ang challenge lang, baka manigas yung oil. Hello.
Tapos low shot pa, low shot. Parang wedding lang. Video eh. Okay.
Meron pa 15 feet.
Meron pa.
So now we are leaving the airport and make our way to your hotel. It usually takes about 1 hour to get to your hotel. And to ensure your safety, while you are riding on the bus, please fasten your seatbelt. May I ask you, how many of you is it your first time to come to Japan? Many of you, or is it your first time? Okay, some of you it's your first time, so I hope you can enjoy the family name. But some could be put after the first name or last name, male or female. It's very easy way to put after the name.
Moving. Over.
I'm getting myself on my way down.
Lang kayo. Oo, video eh. Yan.
Parang hindi kami pwede tumingin dyan. Too big for me. It's like a black.
Kunwari, takam na takam ka. Video, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Kaya, kuha yung ano eh, yung
Picture, picture. Okay.
Starbucks ka na lang kami.
Sakto. Starbucks. Tokyo. Bili tayo. The photographer.
Wala mo, ibang bansa.
May wifi. Wi-Fi.
Upload na, upload.
New York o Tokyo? Ayan, okay na.
Hindi kasi malaki ba't dala.
Harap. Wait, sarap kayo. Hanggang sa ano.
You pay for the card. You can use that money in the station. Pwede ka na mag-reload anytime. Ganda. Kasi nagtataka ko bakit yung pamili na pili na ticket. Di pumili na ng paper.
お台場海浜公園にお台場海浜公園です。
Mamaya pag maaga pa dyan.
Ano yun eh, di ba? Restaurant daw. Oo, hindi ka nakikinig kanina, no? Restaurant, that's a Fuji station building. Fuji station building. Lakad naman kayo. Ayan.
Sa baba.
Okay, GoPro. Oh. Video eh. Video naman, video. Yeah. Thank you.
The 5. 2 person? Picture.
Picture muna, picture.
And to ensure your security, I'd like you to continue a picture while you develop music. Thank you. For palette sound. Stable, that's and it was built as a broadcasting tower in 1958. In 1958, there were no high buildings in Tokyo. The first high-rise in Tokyo was built in 1968. So there were no high-rises in Tokyo, but now, as you can see here, it is surrounded by too many high-rises. So that's why we have built new tower. And this Tokyo Tower, you can see it has 4 legs, standing on 4 legs. But Tokyo Sky Tree New Tower, Slender Tower, it is standing on 3 legs. So at the base is triangle for the new tower. Now to the right side, you will see the metallic round building, which will be coming to our right side with M on top. That is Roppongi Hills Holy Tower. Roppongi Hills is a multi-purpose complex consisting of residents and business offices and shops. It's like it's a multi-purpose complex.
Video.
Bawal pre, kita mo may guard oh.
Yun na.
Bianco, you are here. So this is the best place to take a picture. We can have the 2 bridges and the behind building. So this is the good place to take picture. Okay?
A group picture?
Yeah, group picture is the
Sa gitna ako dadaan, ha?
Ano sila dyan?
Uy, Grant!
Official.
Ayan. Ang ganda.
Ngayon ba ako, Lead 2016 Golden Award.
Wow!
Post ko sa'yo.
Ayos! Ito ba?
Wala yung wifi ko, iniwala ko na yan. Wala yung wifi. Wow!
Brightness, ayun. Ayun. Pwede mo i-adjust yung bright.
Bakit may ganyan? Puso? Sin mo ba yan?
Pero pinipilian ko.
Ha?
Kasi wala nang lalagyan din sa ano, magnet. Yung refrigerator mapuno na. Ito may samurai.
Ayun, no? Ayan, maganda yan. Video. Video to video. Video. moving eh. Nandiyan sila sa loob.
Pinatawagan ka namin kanina, naliligo kami.
Ah, talaga?
Wala. Pare, soli ko na lang.
Sabi pa naman ni Rich, sagutin ko raw yung tawag mo. Sabi ko hindi, Yam. Sabi niya kanina.
Narinig ko kanina eh.
Narinig niya.
Naka-off na eh.
Pero kanina, yung hapon, yung may papasok na rinig mo.
Oo, kahapon.
Kanina mas.
Pareho yung
Kahapon.
Pag ano, change channel.
Oo.
Diba?
Change channel.
Oo, sato kayo.
Oh, dito mo tunog eh.
Napindutin mo lang.
Ay, wala nang battery sa akin.
Kaya. Hindi, ito pina-alarm
Wala.
ko eh.
Hindi, yung sa kanya.
Sa akin.
How do you, ito ba?
Yan, oh.
To alarm you?
Oo. Wala na.
Wala na, dead na. Pare, yung ko na. Useless pa, it's useless. Joke.
Wala na.
Pero mo ng power ba?
Nalimutan ko naka-on eh. Kahapon.
Yan sila daw.
Joy, sama ka kanila.
Official, oh. Official, oh.
Okay.
Official.
1, 2, okay. Video. Okay. Thank you.
Group. Para makalakad na lang papuntang restaurant.
Yun.
Nasa sila Queen. Saan tayo mag-group?
Lalaka na natin.
Lalakad na pala tayo papunta sa
Okay. Bila kaway-kaway. Forward. Padaan naman sa gitna yan. Tapos atras ako. Excuse me. Taas kaway kayo ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, nandiyan pala kayo. Saan tayo? Salida po.
So then you make advertisement here, but they're all empty now. And this is important. When you're about to the main hall, when you see these barrels, turn to the left. Then you can get to the barrel. If you go straight to the left, see the barrel, turn to the left. Okay?
Group picture naman with the arc.
Group picture, pass one.
Group picture. Okay, position. Okay. Two.
Hello. Kita yun, pwede.
Ha? Paano ka? Okay.
Kakamayin mo siya? Huhugasan mo na kamay mo. Doon kayo sa kamay mo. Pagdugdug mo yung iinumin mo na. Hindi, doon ka mo pala iinumin. Hindi dyan. Doon ka mo pala iinumin.
Sabi sa Bamboo.
Bumubog mo? Maliit sa iyo.
Doon ka po. Arlene, yung may tuflo. Tapos lalagay mo sa kaliwa kamay mo, tsaka mo yung... Kaliwa na mo. Yan, dyan pa rin sa kaliwa mo. Oh, kaliwa kamay. Kaliwa. Kaliwa kamay. Susubo mo. Bumog. Pwedeng gamitin ang straw. Tagal mo yung logo.
Picture. Picture naman tayo. Yeah. Moving, moving. Wow, talaga. Ang bilis ah. It's video. Hello. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Bong. Thank you.
Mainit pa nahawakan niya.
Sabi ng mga ito, pwede na daw.
Okay, thank you.
Best seller.
Best one.
Recommended. Best one. Wow.
For you.
For you, yeah. What's the best? What's the What? Sauce.
Sweet. Sweet. Is it sweet?
It's good. It's good.
What is this one? This one. With rice. With rice.
Where's the one with teriyaki sauce? Oh, no teriyaki sauce. Gusto nyo split na para mag-mix-mix na lang tayo.
Ganun din eh.
It's fine.
With rice?
Rice and carrots.
Okay.
Rice, okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Pareho.
Rice.
Okay.
And
Sauce
Coke.
lang po.
And Coke.
Ako, Coke.
Coke.
Ay, may katilog.
Wala na tayo dito baka
Hindi siyang kailangan. Ang galing kung may ilaw siya. Bobo siya tumignan, no?
Parang siyang duling. Parang siyang
Video. Mga kasama yan si Edith. Video.
Video ba yan?
Video. Ohayo. Ohayo.
This is called Yanmate Tunnel. And maybe you have seen the scenery of Tokyo. Most of the expressway in Tokyo is running on the ground or on the river. The expressway was developed in time for Tokyo Olympics in 1954, and in those days we didn't have enough space to build the expressway. So in the city, mostly on the road or above the river, and this one is constructed.
Hindi malamig, no?
Sama lang.
Woohoo! Oh, subo mo. Malinis yan.
Kaso hindi kita hawak.
Dito kita. Hi! Yay!
Ay, dalawa tayo.
Kunan ko kayo. Papakita ko sa iyo. Ayan yung tama na. Diyan mismo yan. Lubog na yan. Yan. Ganda.
Yung photo, no? Hindi, mamaya na lang. Siguro doon sa watching na natin. Ayan sila sa
Oo.
Diyan.
Yan. Tawagin natin. Okay. Thanks, Boss Mike. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Double up.
Okay. First of all, one picture for Yunako. Yunako! Okay, one moment. Sure. Oh, kaway naman. Dahil pagkano? Okay, kaway naman. Video. Video.
Ay, ito pa, oh!
Ay, 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 ay.
Oh, yan, yan, yan.
Kaway naman. Yay! Ohayo gozaimasu.
Sarap lang init, no?
pwesto. Siyempre, uupo na lang.
Yung iba, umupo na lang sa harap. Yung mga gentlemen, pwedeng umupo sa harap. Yan. Yan. Okay. Okay. O, dito naman yung iba, sa kanan.
Ako po.
Okay. Okay, position. Okay, ready? Oh, ako naman. Okay, look here. Everybody. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay, isa pa. Yeah. Okay, come on. Gotemba shopping.
Gotemba. Wow.
Answer number 1, 1707. Answer number 2, 1907. Answer number 3, 1957.
1907.
1907.
1907.
1907.
Yeah.
So the answer is number 1, 1707. 1707. So more than 300 years ago. Yeah. And actually, Mount Fuji erupted so many times in the past. But up to 18 records from now, we have the record up to 50 eruptions from now. So we can know how the eruption was. Most of these 18 eruptions are moderate to moderate large in size. And most violent eruption took place in the year 800, 864, and 1707. Last one was a big one. But if we review all these 18 eruptions, there are something we can know. And first recorded eruption was 781. 781. And between Ginza, about 15 minutes walk from Ginza. But the inner market, it is consisting of inner market and outer market. Inner market is mostly for the licensed wholesalers. Outer market is a mixture of wholesale and retail. And this inner market, wholesale area will be transferred to this area in frequent plan in November this year. but as the market still remains rigid. And also interesting to visit Asda market. Yes, there are a lot of things you can try and buy, or even bills. And at your right side, this is Tokyo Bay. There is a river leading to the north. So this is the mother river of Tokyo. If you follow this river, it leads to Asakusa. That yesterday we went to the temple. And the temple associated with the legend of the fishermen. And they found in this river. So now we are heading for Ginza. Ginza is consisting of first block to 8th block. And the center of Ginza is 4th block corner. And on the 4th block corner, there is a landmark of Ginza, white building with a clock tower on top. It is Wakko building, W-A-K-O. Wakko. Wakko is a specialty store selling luxury goods like watches, jewelry, tableware, clothes. Wakko is an affiliate of Seiko Watch Company, so it has a clock tower on top. So this beautiful building, Wakko building, is the symbol of Ginza. So many Japanese people associate Ginza with this Wakko building. So this is the symbol of Ginza. And on the other side of Wakko, there is Mitsukoshi department store. Mitsukoshi is the first department store in Japan.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Dito meron kinakain na sila.
Dapat pinili na lang tayo picture ni Oki.
Kain tayo?
Ready? Oh, ready? Smile. Smile.
Doon lang tayo sa cafe. Wala yung McDo. Ayun na lang yung cafe doon sa...
Gawin naman kayo. Yeah. Ay. Hey John. Gawin naman. Ayun na yung bus natin. Bus 1. nakasalabat yung pedestrian. Dito ba yan?
Hoy, sila may kulang.
Natawag. Ako sa ako. Bunga eh. May sabaw.
May kanin.
Kawain mo ng konti.
Wild steak. Lahat wild steak na. Order. Okay. Wild steak. Video ba yan? Video eh. Kami. Wild steak.
Hindi na pupuno yung 64 eh.
Wild steak with rice and soup. 9 order. Yes, all together. Drinks? Drink. What do you have? Coke lahat?
So, cook na lang. Cook.
Coke. Cola. 9.
Coke.
Coke na lahat ha?
Sarap. Isa steak pa lang, busog ka na eh. Wow! Pakitang gilas naman si Tatsi niya, no? Wow! Nahuli niyo. Picture, ganda. Upload! Jumping ha. Bicho.
Here's the Onitsuka tiger.
Here we go to the party place.
Okay, Kawai, bye. Welcome to Japan. Okay, next sequence. Kawai. Welcome to Japan. Welcome to Japan. Sayonara. Sayonara sa'yo, Apitong. Ayan, andyan na siya. Tama. Okay, nandito na rin kami. So, big camera siya. Big oh, last day. Last day.
Ay, video.
Last day. Last day. Hi.
Video ba yan?
Video. Hi, kaway naman kayo. Hi. Si Boss Lee wala pang kuha eh. Yeah. Kaway naman. Oh, picture tayo, picture. Dali ah.
Counter ABCA Filipino. And according to the airline, the check-in starts from 2 hours 30 minutes before. So last week I handled some of your groups, and it also started from 10:40. So it might be starting from 10:40. We might be arriving there a little bit earlier, but there are some queue, so we could align the queue. then it's quicker. Okay? So when we arrive, we proceed to the A counter and make a line. And from 10:40 they start the check-in. So we are going to take the same way when we arrived. So we are going to see the Tokyo Disneyland Disney Sea. To be with you, and I hope you enjoyed your stay in Japan. And this is actually my third UNACO group. So I hope you will come back to Japan again. Yes, I'll be waiting for you. And I hope you will all have the safe back to your country. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimashita. And I'm going to take care of you until you finish the check-in. Okay? So you're going to go to check-in counter A. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yung each. Ay, hindi kayo tinuruan. Wala. Oh, ready? Sayonara na lang.
Video pala to.
Oo, video eh. Sayonara. 1, 2, 3. Sayonara!
Sayonara!
Sayo apitong!
Sayonara!
Sayonara! Sayonara! Sayonara! Sayo apitong! Sayo mahogany! Sayonara! Oh, picture! Picture naman! Picture! 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 Wow!
Dito yata bukas talaga.
Video eh.
Gawin natin yun. Sige nga please.
Sino yan? Eh baka marami nanonood kaya ano, busy yung bandwidth.
Ayan, ako na yung
Ako next si